Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Okay, previous class I taught true or false and blanks, right? Prepositions, true or false. So today I'm going to explain missing letters. Okay? Are you ready? Open your workbook page number 42. Good afternoon. Page number 42 in your workbook. Okay? Get ready fast. Sit properly. Everyone must share your videos. Don't hide your videos. Your teacher is taking attendance. Okay. Shall I start? You open everyone? Yes. I'll start. Wait. Yeah, look at here. Bit number 6. Complete the words by filling in the blanks with the correct letters. 6th bit. Complete the words. Complete the words by filling in the blanks with the correct letters. With the correct letters. Okay. So first word P dash OS dash dash O dash S. Can you guess this word? What is this word? Very good, Varsha. It's prosperous, right? What is the spelling of prosperous? P-R-O. So what is here? R. Oh yes. So next letter P. One more blank I have to add here. P-E-R-O-U-S. Prosperous. Okay. Right. Next word. W dash. Second word. W dash I dash S dash C dash L. So what is the word? Can you guess that word? Whimsical. Very good. Whimsical. W-H-I-M-S-I-C-A-L. Whimsical. Next word. O dash C. O dash C dash dash D. Okay. So what is the word? Orchard. Okay. What is the spelling of orchard? O-R-C-H-A-R-D. Orchard. Right. Fourth word. D dash L. D dash L dash M dash A. So what is the word? He was in a dilemma. Which fruit he has to take? Okay. What is the spelling of dilemma? D-I-L-E-M-M-A. Okay. Next word. So can you guess that word? A dash dash O dash. Annoy. Okay. What is the spelling of annoy? A-N-N-O-Y, annoy. Next word. A dash, T dash and dash dash H. Okay. What is the word? Sixth word. Fast. Astonish. Okay. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H. Astonish. Next word. So guess that word. G dash A-T dash T dash dash E. What is that? Gratitude. Right. Next yet word here. P dash R dash O dash M. So what is that word? Perform. Very good. It's perform. P-E-R-F-O-R-M. Perform. Next word. A dash O dash O dash I-E. What is that word? Apologize. Next, H dash N. H dash N. Dash dash R. What is that word? Honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. Right. Right fast. Shall I raise? Okay. Next bit we have rearrange the following words to make meaningful sentences. Okay. Right. Bit number 7. Rearrange the following words to make meaningful sentence. Okay. Let's see here first word. A lived once. A lived once. Prosperous. they think whimsical and look at here. Once read this. A lived once prosperous, they think whimsical and. So it is not. These words are not arranged in a sequence. We have to arrange these words in a sequence so that we will get meaningful sentence. Okay. So look at here first sentence. Once they lived. First we have to write once. Once they lived. A prosperous and whimsical king. A prosperous and whimsical king. So now it is a meaningful sentence. Once there lived a prosperous and whimsical king. So next sentence, a basket full of used. Second one, a basket full of used the farmer to take fruits to the king. Now read this sentence. Is it meaningful? A basket full of used the farmer to take fruits to the king. So it is not in a sequence. So we should arrange these words in a sequence so that we will get meaningful sentence. So what should we write first? The farmer. First we should write the farmer used to. The farmer used to take a basket full of fruits. A basket full of fruits to the king. Okay. Right. Next word, moved the king in was strange that day. Moved the king. Moved the king. Moved the king. It was strange that day. Strange that day. Okay. So this is the sentence. Once ready. Moved the king in was strange that day. So we have to write in order. The day the king was. Answer. That day the king was in a strange mood. Right. Right first. There was a problem. Write in your worksheet. Workbook. Page number 42. Write fast. Over. Okay. Shall I read the first sentence? Here I write fourth sentence. The farmer on forehead hit the berry hill. Hit the berry hill. Okay. So what is the answer? The berry hit the farmer on his forehead. The berry hit the farmer on his forehead. Okay. Next. Next sentence. Gratitude I too show wanted God to. Next one. Gratitude I too show wanted God to. Wanted God to. So once read, gratitude I too show wanted God to. Is it meaningful? No. So if we write in near sequence, then we will get the meaningful sentence. First, we should write I wanted to show. I wanted to show gratitude to the king. Sorry, to God. Right. Are you writing? Sit properly, everyone. Okay. After completion of these words, after completion of these sentences, you open your worksheet now. Okay. Close your workbook, open your worksheets. Okay. Yesterday, some students asked you to explain day 12. Okay. Just open it. Do you have worksheet? Worksheet down here. That is second worksheet. Right? Give me that one. Is it day 2? Next one. That's it. Over. Just open it. Open your worksheet. You can switch. Wait, I'll see. Surplus. Day 12 I have to explain today. Okay. Once look at here, yesterday I explained day 12. So what you have to write in day 12? You know here some boxes first. Have you seen that? Shall I erase this? Okay. Whatever you have doubt, just text me. Okay. First, you here have you seen the boxes? Okay. So what you have to do here? First, you should write your friend name in the middle of the box, middle box. Srikanth. Your friend name is Srikanth. So you should write about him. So what are the qualities he have? You should describe that person. Okay. He's a clever boy. He's a kind boy. Okay. And hardworking. Naughty boy. Helpful. Brave boy and courageous. So like that you have to write the qualities of your friend. Okay. So that is about day 12. Yesterday I explained but you did not understand. So now did you understand? Here you should write your friend name. You should write his qualities by describing his nature. You should write in these boxes. Okay. So that is all about day 12. Next day 13 open mouth. Once look at here, day 13, draw or paste a happy birthday card. Draw or paste happy birthday card. Okay. And day 50, day 14 more. Once look at day 14, adjectives given here. An adjective is a describing word. You know that adjective is a describing word. Okay, very good. So here describing words given color, size, shape, number, character, weight, types. Okay. So what you have to do? You should write. Color means what are the colors given? Red, green, yellow, blue, whatever the color. Okay. So next size. What is the size? Big, small, short, tall. That is the size. Okay. Next shape. Round, circle. What we call spade. These are the shapes. Triangle. These are the shapes. Next feel. So what are the feelings? You have to write happy, sad. Numbers 1, 2, 3. That is the number. Character, his character. I have written just now here. Those are the characters. Okay. Weight. You should write weight is a fat or thin. You should write that. Okay. Types of nouns are pronouns. You should write nouns and pronouns. That is day 14. What is day 15? Day 15 also I explained in the previous class. Okay. I am very beautiful woman in the past. So what is the adjective here? Very or beautiful or past? Beautiful is adjective. Like that, in these all blanks, you should take the adjectives. That's it. Okay. Hope you understand today's class. Here I am going to conclude the class. Okay. Everyone must read the lesson and whatever explained today grammar part that also you learn. Workbook. Okay. And complete your worksheet. Thank you.
సెవెంత్ మాస్టర్ ఫైవ్ చేస్తుంది
సెవెంత్ క్లాసా నాది
మీరు అందులో అన్ని చేస్తుంది